In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could save properly here in Resident Evil Requiem so that you never lose progress. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to understand your difficulty because your difficulty settings controls how saving works. Obviously, casual and standard modern is going to auto save pretty frequently, and the saves usually happen after puzzles, after cutscenes, and after boss fights, and after major area transitions. So you're protected most of the times, but you can also use typewriters in safe rooms to manually save, and there's no limit. But the standard classic mode and the insanity mode is where, saving becomes pretty strategic because autosaves are significantly reduced. Manual saves require ink ribbons, and you can only use one ribbon per typewriter save. This is going to bring back the classic survival tension, so you do have to plan pretty carefully. But if you're playing on classic and insanity, just look for ink ribbons in cabinets, desks, near typewriters, and in storage rooms. And you may also find crafting options later depending on progression. Don't ignore those side rooms though, because they often do hide life-saving resources. To avoid any major setbacks, I'd recommend saving before boss fights, saving before, any puzzle sections, as well as saving before major story choices. Use multiple save slots as well and keep backup files, and never rely on a single save file because you could lose everything. But that really is it. It all is dependent on your difficulty. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.